All right, we made it up here to Unit 78, a Wyoming deer unit. And my guy, Danny Harris, he flew in from Texas and rented a taco. And this is what a warrior's supposed to do when you go on an event, man. Just be self-reliant. And if someone can come and help you and give you a hand, then boom, all the merrier. I'm the icing, he's the cake. Right? There he is. So this is his first time doing this kind of glassing, but look at this big country that we're looking in. We're looking for a muley. He's found a couple good ones, kind of young, but we're looking for something a little more mature. We have a few days to play with. I bring my puppy with me. She is just chilling out. So maybe I'll sleep good tonight, have my little snuggle buddy, and this is it.
What's that?
What do you think?
Oh, this is it's pretty breathtaking, and it's kicking my butt. But we're gonna get it done.
That's right. All right, we wrapped up our first evening hunt. We saw a pile of elk, handful of muleys, but they were all does. So we're gonna give it another shot in the morning. If we don't see anything, then we'll relocate to somewhere else. But we're gonna spend a night in our trucks up here on top of the mountain and just enjoy the sunrise. So here we go. All right, back in the truck. Not a real good idea. How'd you sleep?
Slept better last night than the previous 2 nights, but slept good enough, I guess.
That's right.
Yeah.
That's awesome. I'm ready to get after it today.
Yeah. Let's get it done.
Nice.
Seen a couple big body muleys in the distance, and when I try to get the spot, it's good. We're gonna shift over to southern part of Unit 78, but first we're gonna stop through Encampment, the town of Encampment, grab a burger, and resupply. We have one more evening, one more morning hunt, and then we gotta punch out. He's got to get back to Texas and get back to firefighting. All right, we're doing a little hike in along the river. See if we can find them out here. You ready? I had the spotting scope on the wrong deer.
I was so shocked that he had missed it like 50 yards, but he actually hit it. So I got our meat bags, got our dinner, got our cleaning equipment. I'm going to him. We're about to go butcher his very first mule deer. It's a forky, but it's meat in the freezer, baby. And it broke the ice for him. I'm so excited. Right at last shooting hours, he was able to go back and get it done. So I'll pick this back up when I get to him. Stand by. Dude. That's a first muley, baby. That's so awesome. Oh man, dude, congratulations, man.
Pretty sweet.
Oh man, congrats. Oh, that's a good deer, dude. Oh my gosh. So talk me through it.
Okay, so we got up here last a little bit, just see if we can see something. And we saw this deer come across the hill, and then I was like, maybe a flathead. And you're like, no, he's a forky. Get him. So I stalked up here, and then I couldn't find him. So then I went back, and you're like, no, go back. Because he was like, you said it was like 75 yards away from him. So I was like, okay. You're like, he's right by the forky tree. So came up here. It's like, no deer. And I thought I saw a deer through my scope when I was back here, but then I was like, no, it's not. So then I stalked up to, I don't know, there's some pine trees around here. I don't know, it's dark right now. And he was just standing there, and I took the shot. So.
That's awesome, man. Let's get some photos.
Hey, my name's Danny Harris, and I'm out here with Tin Can. And I just want to say thanks for the donor of the tag that allowed me to harvest this beast here. I've been hunting mule deer for a while, and this is the first one that I've shot. So it's a bucket list animal of mine, and I really appreciate the opportunity.